She's in our 2-week board and train program. Her mom and dad just wanted her to get some of those basics. They know she's going to be a big girl. They want to be able to control her and then go out and have all that good fun off leash, be able to take her to the parks and hiking, to the beach. She's had a little bit of practice at home with the basics of come and sit down, just things that they've been working on. So let's see if she's going to show us anything today. Nala, come. Nala, come. Good job. Good girls, Nala. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Nala, can you sit? Sit. Can you sit? Sit. Sit. Good. That's a pretty sit. Yes, it is. Good girls. That's a good sit, Nala. Down. Can you down? Down. 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 Good girls. That's nice. That's a good down. That's a good down. Oh, yeah. I'll rub your Good girls. Now, come. Come. Good girls. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. 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 Down. 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 Good girl. All right, so as you can see, they have been working with her a lot with the sit and down. She's doing very well with it. She's still got some advancing to do, make her more proficient, so she'll get it done on that first time. Let's see what her heel looks like. Nala, heel. 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 Nala, heel. 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 Come. Come. Nala, come. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Good girl. Heel. Alright, so we got a little bit of distraction in the background. There's some dogs back there playing. Obviously, she's going to have a lot of work on distractions. Nala, come. Come, good girl. Good job, Nala. Alright, overall it's going to be a fun 2 weeks. So we got a lot to do and a lot to work on. Why don't you check back at the end of the 2 weeks of the amazing progress.